Listening to your members, clients, and customers for any business is absolutely pivotal, not only to provide the best experience for your users, but also to provide exceptional value. No product was ever great on its first rendition, and it's because it lacks the essential sculpting of real user criticisms that transform it into the masterpiece that you envisioned it. There's only so much testing you can do pre-launch, and the rest is down to your adaptation once your product or service is live. What's up, traders? It's Marcus from Logikfx with a little announcement. I noticed some of our LITA technology subscribers who are using the tech to trade forex were bouncing around ideas of an all-in-one place where they could quickly assess all the Logikfx technology in a single screen. For those who don't know what the tech is, it simply saves traders time on economic analysis, forex valuations, and pretty much helps our average Joe become an expert economist, quant, and forex trader in a few clicks. 3 days ago now, I noticed two of our members bouncing around the ideas of what they wish they could do inside the portal. All of this started when I started posting in the Logikfx forum about 6 days ago now that we've updated the tech and added a summary page that looks a little bit like this. Pretty much instantly, the response was great, and our traders were pretty pleased with what the update had to offer. This update was off the back of another customer request a few weeks prior, but I won't go into that in this particular video. Then a few days later, after our members got a chance to use it and play around with it, they noticed a few improvements that me and my team had actually completely missed. The suggestion was to essentially allow the user to visualize all the historical data in the same window without it opening separate tabs, something that I didn't realize was a convenience issue till I started playing around with it myself and I noticed how annoying it can actually be. Then another member thought it would be quote unquote excellent, as trends on history are very telling, and having it at your fingertips on a single screen was of course just going to make those trends easily accessible. That was enough for me to pull the trigger, so I decided to make their wish pretty much come true. So for the past 3 days, I've been working pretty much outside of sociable hours with Logikfx developers to create exactly what they were talking about. Kieran and Michael, here is the ultimate tech summary page to make yours and every other member of our community's lives a hell of a lot easier. Not only are all the economic indicators in one place, but you can now also switch between the recent historical data for each using these buttons on the chart without having to have multiple tabs open. You can do everything in a single place from pretty much start to finish. From a passing comment on our forum to a tangible advancement in the value we provide our users, this is why I actually started Logikfx in the first place. It was my vision to help traders out who were like me when I first started, who couldn't access the level of quant analysis that is absolutely necessary to succeed in the forex market. This vision is getting realized every passing week, and eventually we will be the only place any retail trader will actually have to go for their forex needs, with economic valuations and pretty much anything to do with analysis in a single portal. And this brings me on to the point why I'm making this video in the first place. As the creator, developer, and main character of your life, it's hard to not always think you know what's best. But trust me, the sooner you get out of that mindset, the faster your ideas will grow. Always listen to your client's ideas and objectively test if it creates more or less value, even if it seems like it's a tiny increase in benefit. It is always worth it. Always make sure your service is better, always improve your products, always provide the maximum value to every single user as humanly possible. And with that said, I hope you gained an insight to the ideologies that we hold at Logikfx, and you can start applying them to your business, life, or goals in general. Also, as a side note, if you haven't already subscribed to the LITA technology and you are looking to improve your forex trading, we currently have a 7-day free trial for absolutely anybody who wants to try out the service with no strings attached. I'd rather let the value speak for itself, so that's why we've decided to offer this trial in the first place. I'll put a link around this video somewhere depending on where we post it: YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, where you can do just that. If it's Instagram, you're going to have to click the link in the bio. And again, it's Marcus from Logikfx, teaching you knowledge that your school should have.